So I see in your resume that your last job was as a professional clown. Why make the switch to accounting?
Well, you see, sir, my mom was really disappointing in me and my dreams becoming a clown and all that stuff. You know how the story goes. I denied my mother. I go to clown college. You know, I get the degree and I go into the industry, right? Well,
As I was saying, there will be no room for clownery in our professional environment. Our company prioritizes work over everything: sleep, friendship, love, food, water, oxygen, and identity.
do you hear that?
I think I hear him outside. Let's kill this bitch! Bang, 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 Help! I've fallen and I can't get back up.
It's like I got no other choice.
Don't do this. No clowning allowed.
Sorry, Mom.
You're fired, but keep following your clown dreams.
I wasn't even hired, but thank you. Thank you so much. No one has ever said that to me. I will. Thank you so much.